In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Binance Pay to send and receive crypto instantly. Whether you're new to cryptocurrency or just unfamiliar with Binance Pay, I'll walk you through this simple and convenient process, so let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open the Binance app on your mobile device. If you haven't done so already, log in with your credentials. Ensure your app is updated to the latest version. This ensures you have all the latest features and security updates. Once you're in, you'll land on the home screen. At the bottom of the screen or in one of the tabs, you'll see an icon labeled Pay. Go ahead and tap on it. Now let's cover sending crypto, which is incredibly straightforward. Once you've tapped on Pay, look for the Send option and tap on it. You'll then need to enter the recipient's details. This can be their email address, phone number, or their Pay ID if they have one. Make sure you double check these details to avoid sending your crypto to the wrong person. After that, you'll need to choose the type of cryptocurrency you wish to send. Binance offers a variety of cryptocurrencies for transactions, so select the one you prefer. Once chosen, enter the amount you want to send. Be cautious here and ensure that the amount is correct because transactions are irreversible. Once you've selected the amount to send, tap on Continue. You'll see a final confirmation screen. Review all transaction details carefully to ensure everything is accurate. When you're sure, go ahead and tap on Confirm to complete the transaction. If you're on the receiving end, the process is just as simple. I'd head back to the Pay section, and this time you'll tap on Receive. You'll be presented with a unique QR code or your Pay ID, which you can easily share with the sender. Simply send them this QR code or Pay ID, and they'll be able to transfer the crypto to you. One of the best features of Binance Pay is its speed and convenience. Transactions are instant and completely free of charge. There's no need to utilize complicated wallet addresses, making it very user-friendly, especially for newcomers. And there you have it. Binance Pay makes sending and receiving cryptocurrency as easy as sending a text message. Remember to always double check transaction details before confirming them to ensure everything goes smoothly. This tool is an excellent choice for anyone looking to move crypto efficiently and effortlessly. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps make your crypto transactions over Binance Pay seamless and secure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more helpful guides and tips. Happy crypto trading!